What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have another water pressure gun. Now the other one we had was a foam gun, so we will go ahead and see about that. I do have a Sunjo right here. We do have this gun that was sent in from the company, so salute to them for that, and we will test it out. And they said please give an honest review, and as y'all know, I do give out honest reviews, you guys. If I like a product, I like a product. If I don't like a product, I will let y'all know. Now, with that being said, here are all the specs. That's all the specs right there. Let's go ahead and check it out. Here we go, right there. So in the box, you do get the gun right here. And I believe it says for the inlet is 3/8. For the outlet is a 1/4 inch quick connect. All right, so let's go ahead and check that out. Right here, you have your bag of goodies. They do give you Teflon tape or plumber's tape, whatever you want to call it, then you can call it that. So you do have your tape for your thread. Make sure you have a good seal, and you have your different nozzle heads. You get your nozzle heads like your different degrees of spray out. So we have all that right here. And then you have your quick connect, and that will be it. So you can put this down right here and you can lock it. This is basically childproof right there. You see that? Well, they'll probably figure it out. You just lift up right here, but you know, it's a safety, okay? So wrapping our tape up. You can go ahead and hook this up. So there's no thread right there. Right here is tight as it can get. And now we're about to hook it up to the pressure washer. So that's when you have no connections on. There's no number on this one. So we're gonna put this on. All right, we're gonna take that off. Now this one actually have the degrees on it. So you have a 0 degrees right here. Be careful with this, you guys, because this thing can really do damage to you. We are gonna go with, what we got here, 15. All right, 15, we're gonna turn it. Take that out. Right here we got 25. Pull back, take that out. We have a 40 degree. All right, you guys, so if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns about the MEKOH handgun, please let me know in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe.